Hello guys, welcome to Unirag. Today we'll learn about Indian number, how to find out this Indian number in our Linux system and Linux database. So this Indian number where we use while migrating from non-CDB container database to container database. Currently we are using 12c and 19c version where with container databases. Part of multi-tenant architecture where we can have multi-tenants under one container database, which are pluggable databases under one container. So most of the companies or clients they use non-container database might be in different OS, different platform, either Solaris, either AX, Windows or any other platforms. In that case, they want to move to Oracle Linux, Oracle Enterprise Linux or Red Hat Linux. At the same time, they want to migrate from non-container database to container database using 12c or 19c versions in Oracle Enterprise Linux. Commonly, we use full transportable table space. The feature of full transportable table space helps us to migrate non-CDB to CDB. We'll be seeing this video in the next coming video. So we'll show how to migrate from non-container database to container database using full transportable table space feature. Either it is 19c, either it is 12c, whatever version, but to container database. But in this video, we'll learn how to find out an Indian number. How to find out your Indian number. Always while migrations we have to check if it is a different platform. The Indian number is the first which we need to check. It's a common interview question even. What are the steps involved in migrations? What is the prerequisite to check before migrating even? So that case most of the people get confused. Only the feature they use but they forget to say what need to be checked before migrating, which is Indian number. So let's see how to find out that Indian number in Linux system using VDollar transportable platform view and VDollar database. These two views will help you to find out the Indian number. So let's log into the database. So using VDollar transportable platform and VDollar database, verifying, we'll set the column format for the platform. The format alphabetical letters with 16 characters up to. And we'll write a statement from VDollar transportable underscore platform where pp.platform underscore id equal to d.platform underscore id. So we have two columns, platform name as well as endian format. We are using join condition, equi-join between VDollar transportable platform and VDollar database. We have declared D and TP variables. This is the equi operator, equi condition. So the endian format is little with a 64-bit. This endian format will be same for Solaris as well as. So there is no difference between Solaris and Linux. The endian format will be little. You can migrate easily from Solaris to Linux. The same endian format will be found in Solaris. So Solaris to Linux using full transportable table space, it's easy to migrate. So we have done with finding out endian format. In the next video, we'll find the steps how to migrate from non-container to container database. Thank you guys. Hence we are closing the session. Thank you.